iLife V3s Pro, which we believe is one of the best budget robot vacuums for 2024. Stepping into the world of robot vacuums can be daunting, but the iLife V3s Pro simplifies this choice. Its compact, straightforward design offers a reliable and affordable way to keep your floors clean. The iLife V3s Pro excels at picking up pet hair and adapts well to various floor types, making it ideal for a hassle-free cleaning routine. This robotic vacuum is perfect for handling dog and cat hair without tangling, and it works efficiently on hard surfaces, tiles, laminate, stone, and low-pile carpets. Its low profile allows it to navigate under beds and furniture easily, while integrated infrared sensors detect obstacles and prevent falls. This device can be programmed to clean your space on a set schedule and will return to its charging base automatically when the battery depletes after approximately 100 minutes of cleaning. You can start it with the button on the unit or the use of remote control for easy operation. For maintenance, remember to empty the dustbin and clean the filter after each use. The battery lasts for about 2 hours of continuous cleaning before it needs to recharge. One drawback is that you need to occasionally check and remove any items that might obstruct it, like cables or rugs. With a height of 7.6 centimeters, the iLife V3s Pro can reach almost every corner under your furniture. It also offers 3 cleaning modes that you can schedule or control via the remote, ensuring your home stays clean with minimal effort. Nice one!